If you're looking for side hustles in the United States that actually work, it helps to ignore the hype and focus on what consistently generates income for real people. One of the most reliable options right now is freelancing, especially in areas like video editing, copywriting, and basic graphic design. Businesses are constantly looking for affordable talent, and platforms have made it easier than ever to connect with clients. Even if you're starting from zero, you can build skill quickly and begin with small projects, gradually increasing your rates as you gain experience. Another solid option is reselling, which doesn't require advanced skills, but does require patience and consistency. People are making steady money by sourcing discounted or secondhand items locally and flipping them online. It's not glamorous, but it works because you're tapping into price differences that already exist in the market. Then there's content creation, which has a higher ceiling but also takes longer to pay off. Channels on YouTube or short-form platforms can eventually generate income through ads, sponsorships, or digital products, but only if you treat it like a long-term project rather than expecting quick results. If you prefer something more predictable, gig economy apps like food delivery or ride-sharing still offer flexible income, especially if you optimize your working hours and locations. It's not passive, but it's straightforward and dependable when managed well. Another underrated path is selling simple digital products like templates, guides, or niche resources. Once created, these can generate repeat sales with minimal ongoing effort, especially if you understand a specific audience and their problems. The key across all of these is not chasing too many things at once. Most people fail because they keep switching instead of going deep on one method long enough to see results. The side hustles that actually work are usually the ones that look a bit boring from the outside, but are built on real demand and consistent execution. If you found this useful and want more practical insights like this, you can subscribe to Real Money Habits for straightforward ideas that focus on what works in the real world.